Today we'll talk about how can you disable your chat message notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on options. So then you come to this list here, come here to this list. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just come here to new chat message, click in this sign. Then like you see this sign show for us, that's menu chat message. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.